Hello, my name is Supriya Shastri, and today I will be doing a video tutorial on how to solve a system of equations problem using the elimination method. So, first, here is the equation that we have, the problem we've been given. Notice that the like variables must be lined up. This means that the x is under the x, the y is under the y, and the numbers are, under each other. And we can also see that none of these, like x or y, have any numbers in front of it, so this is more of a simpler problem. And notice that the y variables have different signs. So your immediate first thought should be, I'm going to get rid of the y variable since it has different signs. So to get rid of this, we would just cross out the y and cross out both of the y's, and then add up the x's and the number. So you get 2x plus 0, or you don't even need to write the 0, equals 22. So you divide 2 on both sides, and you would get x equals 11. So now that we've found out the x value, we need to plug it back into the original equation. You don't have to plug it into both equations, you can just pick one. So I picked the first one, the x plus y equals 12. So you plug in the 11 for the x, so 11 plus y equals 12, and then y equals 12 minus 11, so y equals 1. So we just got the both of the variables. So 11 is x, or y is 1, so the final answer is 11, 1. And in order to be completely sure that you got the correct answer, we need to check. So to check, you plug the x and the y values found through the process back into the equations. So I choose to do both. And so the 11, you do 11 plus 1 equals 12, so 11 plus 1 does equal 12, so that's correct. And 11 minus 1 equals 10, that is also correct. So that we know we did this accurately. Okay, here is another problem. So this one is a little bit more tricky because this has variable numbers, different numbers for each of the x and the y values. So no worries though, we can still do this. We just need to make sure that the we need to make the x value and the y value equal to each other by multiplying this time. So you can choose to either make the x or the y values equal. This means that for 2x and 3x, you would try to make them both 6x. Or for 5y and 2y, you try to make them 10y. I'm going to do the x value, just preference. So you would, for the first equation, you wouldn't just multiply the 2x or the 3x, you would multiply the entire first equation. So similar to FOILing. So you would do 3 times 2x plus 5 times 3 equals 7 times 3. And then for the second part, you would try to do the 2 because you want to get the 3 to be 6. But you need to also change the sign. So like the first equation, or the first problem, the y values had different signs. So you have to make one of these 6x's a different sign. So I chose to do the bottom one. So you would do negative 2 times 3, negative 2 times 2y, and negative 2 times negative 6. So after doing all of this multiplication, looking at the bottom left, you would get 6x plus 15y equals 21, and negative 6x minus 4y equals 12. So you would get, after crossing out the x values, it would be 15y minus 4y, which is 11y, 21 plus 12, which is 33, and then you do 11 divided by 33, so you get y equals 3. So now that we've found out the y value this time, we need to plug it back into the original equation. Just like last time, you don't have to do both. You can just pick one of these equations. So I chose the bottom equation. So I would do 3x plus 2 times 3 equals negative 6. And then 3x plus 6 equals negative 6. 3x equals negative 12, and then you divide 3 on both sides, so you get x equals negative 4. So our final answer is negative 4 plus and 3, or just x equals negative 4 and y equals 3. So just like last time, we want to check by plugging back both the x and the y variables that we found out, or the values we found out in the process. So just like before, 2 times negative 4 plus 5 times 15 equals 7, so negative 8 plus 15 does equal 7, so we did that correctly. And then 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12, 2 times 3, which is 6, equals negative 6, so negative 12 plus 6 does equal 6. So we just did both problems correctly, and it wasn't too hard now that we just broke it down step by step. So I hope this video helped in solving system of equations through the elimination process.